You work as a vice president for a multinational firm.
Yeah, into insurance risk management.
Okay. Wow. What's your name, you said?
Ravina.
Ravina.
Yes.
Oh, Ravina. Cool. So who are your friends who got it done? Where they got it done from?
From you.
Oh, okay.
So Aditi, Megha, these two girls had come
nice.
in. Then Gauri, one another female who had come in. Multiple people in fact. And I keep seeing your videos also, it keeps popping on my feed. And I'm like, yeah, I really gotta do it. It also looks good, you know.
Yeah, true.
So when the anesthesia wears off, am I
First,
gonna...
don't stress on that.
Okay.
Just look at the piercings. Every
Yeah,
girl
okay.
has to say the same thing. That's why I'm saying don't stress on. Just calm down. Let's finish one step at a time.
Okay.
Should be happy that you're chilling.
Yeah,
Yeah. Because that stress is not needed right now.
absolutely.
Because your main stress was what? That you should not feel anything,
Yeah.
if you can take it or not, how it will go. So that is gone. No? So why stress about after that? Just chill, just listen to the aftercare. That is more important. Because your aftercare is more important, how good you take care of it.
Yeah.
Doing a piercing is not that important. Taking care is important. You like it?
Yeah, lovely.
Looks damn nice.
Yeah.
Show me the other side. So what made you do this? How do you think of getting 4 piercings
I'm like, if I'm doing it, I'd rather do, you know, like stack it
all
up.
out?
Yeah.
Yeah, the stack is good. Looks nice. You like it?
Yeah,
See?
I loved it.
Now the
It's amazing.
last one is left.
Yeah. Perfect.
That girl who left, she called me when I was at car.
Okay.
She's saying, "Are you there? I'll come in 5 minutes." I said, "Give me like some time. I'll reach quick." Fatapat
Yeah.
came on the
I'm
bike.
glad I met you.
Yeah, I came on the bike and then after that I messaged her, come. And then
Okay.
directly after hers, you came in. She was also very scared because her incident, some piercer
Yeah.
messed her piercing up, and now everybody has the same thing, that most of them have this thing that
And since I'm doing it for the first time, I wanted to do it from somebody who's the best, you know. Yeah, not go to any
You like it?
random place. And yeah, perfect. Looks lovely. I think we need. Should we do it? Should I place this that way?
no, you cannot, because the leaf is one
Yeah,
direction only.
right, right.
So whatever you do, it will face one on top, one down.
Perfect. Looks amazing. I'm
This
so
is
happy.
very pretty.
Yeah, love it. Is it done?
Of
Oh,
course,
great.
until
I
unless you
didn't
want
feel-
another one.
No,